Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Cooking with Afton. Well, in today's video I'll be showing you guys how I make my cassava ball and also some egg balls. So I hope you guys enjoy my video, and don't forget to give my video a thumbs up, and also you can subscribe to my channel and leave a comment down below. So also I'm gonna upload two videos today. So when you see my egg ball video, also look out for my mango sour video. Alright, so thank you guys so much for watching my video, and here's my ingredients. Okay guys, today we're going to be making some cassava egg ball. So let me go peel my cassava and show you my rest of the ingredients. Okay, I finished peeling my cassava and wash it, so I'm going to put it in the pot now to boil. And also I'm going to put about 3 eggs. Yeah, I'm going to put 3 eggs in the pot to boil as well. Okay, I just cut up 1 potato, so I'm going to put about a teaspoon salt to let it boil. Okay, my cassava has been boiling for about 35 minutes, so I'm going to strain it now. Okay guys, so my cassava just finished straining out. So I don't have a crusher, so I'm going to do the old-fashioned way and use a fork. What you're going to do is take out these string that you see in them. Take out all the strings and smash it up like this. It's better if you smash it up when it's hot, because it's going to be easier to mash up. So it's better you do it when it's very hot like this. So gotta use a little strength and just mash them up like this. So let me just take out these strings. Okay guys, so I finished mashing it up. Oh my god, that took a lot of elbow strength. And so what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna just put in 1 cube, and I'm gonna put in a little bit of my homemade green seasoning, and yeah, and then I'm gonna stir this, mix this up together. We'll be back. Okay, so I mix up this seasoning and the cubes, everything. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to leave it here for about a half an hour, and then I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to fry it. Okay guys, so I'm going to show you how I'm going to roll my egg ball. So spread it out like this, and you put your egg inside, and then you fold it. Fold it in like this. Put a little too much, yeah. Fold it in like this, and then you roll it. See, just roll it. Okay. Perfect egg ball. Let me show you another one. Spread it out like this. Put in your egg, and then you fold it in like this. Put a little bit too much here. Good. And then you just roll it like this. And for the cassava ball, you just pick up a little bit like this, and you just roll it like this. Alright, I'll show you the next step soon. Okay, so all my cassava ball and egg ball finished rolling. So what I'm gonna do now is just put a little flour on it, roll it into some flour like this, put it to the sides. So I have 1, 2, 3, 8 cassava ball and 9 cassava ball and 4 egg ball. So I'm just gonna flour it like this, put it to the side. My oil is, I have to wait till the oil is hot and then I'll start frying them and show you guys. Okay, my oil is hot, so I'm gonna put the cassava ball to fry first, and then I'm going to put the egg ball in. Okay, I'm putting my egg ball to fry now. Okay, I just turned my egg ball, so it's frying for about 2 more minutes and then it's finished. Okay, so my egg ball is finished now, so I'm gonna take it out. Okay guys, so this is my end results for my egg ball and cassava ball, and this is my sour that I made earlier, mango sour with some cucumber inside. So I hope you guys enjoy my recipe, and please subscribe to my channel and give my video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching my video. See you in my next video. Bye. Stay blessed.